How you doing, everybody? What I'm fixing to read to you isn't some fake bud theory. These are facts that's been well known for decades. Stay safe and have a nice day. Hope you enjoy it. What is barrel twist? Rifling inside the barrel causes the projectile to spin as it moves forward. This spin, or twist, keeps the projectile stable in flight and helps it stay point forward for better accuracy. Understanding twist rates. Twist rate describes how far the rifling travels in one full turn. Different twist rates are compatible with different projectile lengths and design. The 1.7, one turn in 7 inches. 1.8, one turn in 8 inches. 1.9, one turn in 9 inches. Faster twist, smaller number, equals more spin. Better for longer, heavier projectiles. What does grain mean? Grain is a unit of weight used for projectiles and propellants. 1 grain is a very small unit in weight. Common projectile weights for sporting use include 55 grain, 62 grain, 69 grain, 75 grain, 77 grain. There's 1 grain and many grains. Projectile length versus weight. Length has a greater impact on stability than weight alone. Longer projectiles need faster twist rates to maintain stability. 2 projectiles may weigh the same, but different lengths require different twist rates. There's a longer and a shorter. Stability in flight. Stable is ideal. Proper spin keeps the projectile point forward for a smooth, accurate flight. Unstable or poor, insufficient, or uneven spin can cause wobble, loss of accuracy, or tumbling. Factors that affect flight. Many factors influence how a projectile travels to its target. Velocity, so the higher speed results in a flatter path and more energy downrange. Shape, the shape affects how air flows through the projectile. Air resistance, drag shows the projectile and its effect in path. Weather conditions, wind, temperature, humidity, and air density all play a role. Ballistic coefficient. BC is a measure of how well a projectile overcomes air resistance. Higher BC equals less drag, better speed retention. Streamlined shapes generally have higher BC. There's a higher BC, more streamlined, and a lower BC, less streamlined. General trajectory concepts. Projectiles follow a curved path due to gravity. Different factors change the path. There's the flatter trajectory and the steeper trajectory. This is a general illustration only. Actual paths vary. Accuracy basics. Accuracy comes from consistent performance and proper compatibility. Match twist projectile. Proper stability improves consistency. Quality components. Uniform projectiles and consistent loads help. Proper maintenance. A clean, well-maintained barrel supports better performance. Shooting fundamentals. Good technique supports consistent results. Key takeaways. Twist rate affects stability. Faster or slower twist rates are suited for different projectiles, lengths, and designs. Projectile designs matter. Weight, length, shape, and BC all influence how a projectile performs. Environmental conditions. Weather and air conditions can change the path. Understand the basics helps you make informed choices and achieve more consistent results. Stability plus design plus conditions equals consistent performance. This is for the 5.56.